Day 10.
AC gang, back at it again.
What's up, AC gang? Today is Vlogmas Day 10. I'm here to tell you.
Say no, not in. AC gang.
I look so naked.
AC gang.
Back at it again. I look naked, man.
Yeah, guys, as I suggest last night, we were up on live. Want to suggest we can do the yoga challenge. And I think good girl want the yoga, you know. Good girl want to lose weight. And good girl want to skin right now.
Abbi look naked in the clothes.
You look naked? I feel look naked.
Abbi look like one tights.
Who's texting me?
I don't know. Yeah, people, so right now, well, actually, but when are the yoga right now, though?
Yoga, we are doing right now, phone now.
Yoga challenge.
Watch good breath.
So if you're new to the page,
please subscribe.
turn on the bell. Subscribe to Abbi and Capo Comedy TV.
Yes, subscribe to Abbi's Madness, so good girl answer.
So, you know? And don't forget to subscribe to Capo's TV.
That dirty boy when you name Capo.
Yeah,
Yeah, guys, I remember follow on the gram.
Down below.
Right down there, sir.
You don't think already, guys?
Yes, I know for that. I'm going to go around there. I'm going to see if Capo fix at the place. Come, I don't know where Capo do run this out, so.
Yeah, we're going to find out. So, see you guys in a minute.
Yeah, people, so good girl. They're behind the camera. Good girl up on the camera. Don't mind the white arm or so. But you don't look on good girl arm. Remember good girl arm always black? Look here. Dark truth, improvement. Lord Jesus. Remedy secret, remedy has something.
Don't tell them you can sell it. You know, you can start a business.
Yeah, I can start a business. Right true. Yeah, guys. So, I'm look so. The good girl here couldn't come in the car. People went and good girl here come a headache, piece of headache. I forgot me here. If I want to do something to them, I forgot me here about 3 days ago. Yeah. Right true. So, I can switch to the camera and then come back on my yoga phone. Yeah. I'm here for a go fight by you.
Yo, I want, hey.
Some people, we never had a spot. I don't know what can go. Because the last time we do this, we did it outside, you know. Yeah. But good girls skin too sensitive now. We can't.
And outside don't look good right now, so we can't do it outside.
Outside don't look good.
Outside don't look good right now.
Outside don't look good.
Salt, that part. You can't record here.
But now cut it out. So come out of the camera. You know what, 90. So guys, you know see? As good girl and dirty camera for do something for you. Watch out. Dopey again. Be a dopey in here. Do a dopey in here.
Yeah, people, so they have on the camera again.
Yeah, guys. Bear in mind.
Ready for the yoga challenge.
Bear in mind, people. Good girl look like Teletubby and so. Yeah, shape like carrot and so. Watch vegetable. Watch carrot. Watch carrot and so. Yeah, right true. Yeah. Oh, this looks alright.
Like that change, you go back to normal.
Oh, yeah, go back to normal.
Yeah, guys. So now we are going to do yoga challenge. Smash the like button for you. I don't know, say, Abbi, I'm going to mess with everything already.
Yeah, cause good girl for that so.
Say, I'm going to mess with everything.
Right
Say, I'm going to mess with everything.
Right.
Listen to me. You know, I kill me off out here, you know. Yeah.
Well, I'm going to mess up everything. Right.
Guys, first time I do this, me actually fitter than now. I'll be the slimmer. I never
no, be the fat.
See the fat?
We the fat, you see me, we the fat.
Ah, boy, so I feel like this time I'll be a better one. You think so?
No, I'm still fat. I kept a week now.
Why didn't I do this challenge last year?
Last Jesus.
Alright, guys, we're going to start now. Yeah.
Yeah, so run it. Bring on camera and come. Alright, guys, so we're not going to see the one we're going to do right now up on the screen over there, so. Right there, so. So I kept on going to try and recreate it.
Okay.
Yeah, what is?
Let me see that now.
Don't the boy, I put my nice clean arm just to get bright.
Alright, guys, wish me luck.
Okay.
This is going to be a big feeling now.
Yes.
So how this right now?
Yes, all this right now. Oh, yeah, can we turn around here?
You turn around here?
Yes.
I'm where I do? I put it already?
Yeah.
I'm where I do? Push on.
Seven!
Hey! Stop! Hey! Oh, my bumper.
Yeah, that was 10 seconds. 7! Stop!
Oh, but now I'm putting it on. Commercial break.
Glad. You want to go? Yeah, but then stop.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
Get it. Abuse. Abuse. Oh, that good girl arm. That good girl arm.
Abbi, relax and keep it. This is not good.
Now, you check.
Alright guys, my time. Now here, eat a chance.
Where you going?
Oh, you guess so. So, Pastor, my foot might go open here. Remember something?
Oh, you have to bring it.
Duh.
Yes.
You know? Abbi, I look strong, you know? Alright guys, yeah. Abbi, I forget I'm good, you know?
Yeah.
Yo, we can't do that one, yeah. We can't do that one, yeah. Abbi face alone and tear me up. Come on. Guys, Abbi face alone and tear me up. I swear to you. I panic in Abbi face. Panic.
Yeah, I can about to jump in my face.
People now.
No.
Abbi, we can't do
Give
that
it
one.
that. Give it
I'm
that.
sharing that one, guys. That's a big failure.
Yeah, we didn't feel that one day. The
Everybody
first
can't
one.
believe. Everybody
The
can't
first
believe.
one, give it a 4. Give it a 4. We can't do this, Capo.
Sweet. Alright, me got bottom, you got top.
Yeah, go on. So look, pan, 2, number 2 over there, sir. A simple 1, 2 this, man. You get it? You get it?
Hello. Got them touch, bro.
Yeah, and this is should I do first. And this is should I do first. Third one is.
Okay, man. Simple 1, 2 that, man.
So 1, 2. Say what I got up.
Alright, yeah. Simple 1, 2 this guy.
1, 2. And.
You like camera? Nothing?
Me supposed to up, so I'm supposed to wear it. Give me a hand. Give me a hand, Capo. Give me a hand. Give me the dead hand. Settle!
Yeah, what the hell wrong with you, boy? What's wrong with you? Alright, guys, number 3 that done.
Alright, guys, so number 4, what is this? Somebody I'm doing with. Number 4, I simple 1, 2 this man.
See?
Who don't look panic over there, so?
Number 4.
That's simple 1, 2.
Oh, yeah,
Simple 1, 2, so go. So, me go, sir. And you can go, sir, and then me go in front of you. So go over there, sir, go over the party.
You want to come with them?
Yeah, me I call them for them. Where you want it? Pack up your food then. Look together.
Hello, yeah? What you do? Hello, yeah, what you do? Hey, me a slide.
That's right. People never forget it. Look on the screen, I tell you forget it. Come on. You get it?
Yeah, no, I can't look.
No, your hands supposed to stretch out towards, man.
What do you mean?
Do your hand stretch out.
Okay.
Forget it?
Yeah, kill me. Box time, man.
We are somewhere. Show me that coach, you know. Oh, good girl look like Teletubby. I saw, Teletubby, Teletubby,
I be look naked like you look
Teletubby,
naked.
Teletubby. Bigo, the next one is, I want to see what's one over here, so go over there, so look over there, so screech come over here.
See?
Right there, so, right there, so.
Bomba, Abbi more to acrobatic than me there.
Come. Alright.
If Abbi not do this, guys, trouble there.
Mama, more fat now. Come here, Kappa.
No.
Oh, me have a gun.
Bomba, mission impossible. You can't balance. Abbi, how you do? Yo, don't go up. If you put your voice there, we can't move my hand them right now. Balance, girl. You good?
Yeah, one.
Alright, let's see now. People wish me luck. I'm Alright, let's start it. Bum, bum. Hey, I bet. You good? Man, them slippery. No, yet. Come on, mommy. Come on, family, I say. Bombard.
Stab me tonight, make me tear up the sheet. Beat up me fat pum pum underneath. So me.
You think I'm wrestling this? You come and slam down here, sir.
Look what I did over there, so.
Abbi, you think you can do more?
That one is more simple. Can't look on it.
Oh.
It's simple one, too, man. Just like we just about the other one. Simple
Alright,
one,
forward.
too.
You can bumbo.
What's here?
Me a slide, man.
I'm making a loss. What's the turn? What's the way you come? Is that it?
Yes! Yes! No! Working out hard, you guys.
I'm good to never eat.
What
next one? Oh!
Bend up, Abbi.
Like a caller when I know we are trying to smell each other's stink bread, but you know good girl bread smell like Skittles. Yeah.
Alright.
So look on it over there, so yeah. A simple one too, this man, Capo.
Let's go.
Foot straight. Why you feel like say foot somebody their foot? Them foot together.
Oh.
Together, but them.
So?
Look on the picture, you can't ask me like so.
Big man. And them straight on you.
That them it's supposed to have a little curve.
And them. Yeah, but the animal is funny.
You have put pressure on my hand.
Me?
Go on.
She wanted to watch a madman.
Alright guys, I look at this. Good year and them cramp up, but guess what? Abbi madness. Abbi Atas is a fighter. Right you. Tell it to me, so. Yeah, watch, tell it to me. Watch out. Yeah, girl. Whoa. Yeah, girl.
Ready? Yo! I'm going to tell you from now, we can't answer me there. If you like that, jump on my bowl like shit, think about this. No, sir. I'm going to gadgets. I'm going to gadgets start, I mean. What's that? Yo, I'm going to make sure you get it now. Hey, come outside.
No, sir, come now.
See. Grab the ass like this. Firm and strong. Because she can't manage fair body weight, you know, guys. So when she jump on me, she put all her boom, I chop them from the dollar pressure. Man down. We need backup. Guys, send for backup. Abbi down. Oh boy. Guys, Abbi down.
Remember? But I'm so very nice.
Yeah, man, I try to good for you though. Try to damn good for you. Box 7, tell you what. Abbi, what I'm telling you? You have energy, man. Ready? Next round.
Hi, people.
The next one now.
The next one over there, so. Look at it.
The one that look difficult, but feel like we can pull it off. Me feel like we can pull it off. Yo! wrong? Why you going wrong? People who can't do it. There, when I people say we can't do it. You see, Abbi now, she see some things on the internet and say, oh my god, they look good, I'm going to try it. And it's difficult.
Alright guys, this is the next one. Look at this. No people talk truth. Good girl can't manage that.
Okay, you want the worst, the most difficult thing in the
This
world.
is a different and make me shit. This is make me shit. Keep on you get easy job.
Yeah, I want to see. You look easy to you. The man feel me go.
So I'm going to flick and you start one up on my hand. Yeah, one up on my hand.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, one up on my hand and my foot. Yeah.
Bring the food, come and say.
You have to hey, be careful.
Are you done? Relax and like, yo! You wild like guinea pig. You want to take up your care, man? That's your problem. Wonder why you fix it with that money.
Come, alright.
No,
Come,
no.
Abbi. You can do this now.
Like, why do you think she can manage it? Abbi, I can't say. Your food ain't showing you, man. Man. Abbi, want to do some impossible mission. Yo, I like her. Belief, you know. No, sir. Determination. Make your foot reach up. I'll make your foot stop spin over so. Alright, come. Come on. Make bowl yesterday now, you know.
And then this supposed to out. So wait, keep on your balance me that you don't balance. Why you put me fling my foot on this, sir?
So we know what I'm saying.
What?
Hey!
You're supposed to
Hey!
put my foot in line with your foot.
Where's the camera? Abbi, we can't do it. We just cannot do it.
No, we can't do it.
You're
Yeah,
not-
I'm not
You're
idiot.
not benefit, you're not flexible enough, Abbi.
One foot good. All I'm gonna do is
You want to put skin out, so. You have skin out, so. All make this make
Because
sense.
I have put my foot over here, so.
Yeah, Abbi, I said I don't want to skin out.
Yo, come back. We're not stop.
That's so.
Come. I know I can do
You
it.
feel there, man, come.
Yeah. Hold it, Chapo. Hold it. And then you're supposed to go so.
Yo, me not do no more of this. You not come dead for me now. And that me I tell you. Me not what she say, yo. You should tell me no, me not lie. Abbi, you not come dead for me. People, she not come dead for me. I'm telling you, it's not possible. Don't do it.
Alright guys, moving on to the last one. Here guys, we'll cover this up for the last one. Sit there.
One and make a heart.
Yeah, it's simple one too.
Simple one too, no. Don't come to me with simple one too, no, man. No simple about this.
So, come, give me a hand. Make a heart, how the heart go? I can't stick at the ear. Put the back side up here.
You smell spin over. Come.
My hand,
Your hand now broke, so come. See that?
Make a heart.
You can't say go.
Make a heart.
Alright guys, that's the end of the yoga video. Abbi can go on, but we don't know what she wants. People don't eat for the yoga, here.
Easy, one side of it. I got 2 minutes fit. You see a good girl is fit also. It would good girl would do it good also. Right through. Where you put the camera wherever there is so far? Right through, guys, right through.
Yeah, people, the one that difficult for me, me not like.
Guys, it was difficult for good girl because keep her figure on. All man do a joke with thing.
Me go and take the passion now, but I know don't deep down inside, I know say unfit bad.
I'm not unfit, I'm
You
very
don't
fit.
flexible.
I'm kind of flexible.
Kinda.
Yeah, guys, so.
I'm not strong like you used to be. If you start work back again, I get the come on.
Why people, this mama head at
Yeah,
I'm
the
not
yoga
telling
challenge is
you.
normal, guys. If you can't do it, don't do it. But we Next time I do yoga, I want to make sure I'm strong enough to get a manager. And she need to take off a little more weight. So I can lift
Me
you
need
up
a man
easy.
who's strong who can lift me
That
up.
girl when we can lift up.
When? Oh, when?
Figure it out.
No, I'm
Do
not
the
this
maths.
boy.
Do the maths.
Yeah, but me
Do
even
the
like
maths.
you. Me even like
Do
you.
the maths. Backside.
Copy. So guys, if you enjoy this channel, make sure you like button.
Subscribe if you know.
And remember, go over to our comedy channel. Abbi and Kev for Comedy TV.
Yeah.
Don't go over to Abbi's one. This is a good girl answer.
I don't flick up. We don't want you to flick up enough. I'm flexible enough. That me I tell you.
I will go over to Dirty Campos.
TV.
Campos TV.
Yeah,
Yeah.
people.
And remember, follow up on the gram down below, you know.
Follow up on the
Yeah,
gram.
follow the gram down below.
When
And
you follow
guys,
up on the gram.
if you don't know, we are selling mini tripod, flexible mini tripod, and so flexible better than all we are going off. Just flexible
Bend up in
right
that
show.
S and everything.
Bend up in that S like right show.
So,
Yeah, 1700.
So come order from we.
Out of our inbox to them, we.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Right.
Alright guys, so
AC gang.
it's out.